Good evening guys, welcome again to FireIce TV. Tonight's tutorial is all about how to download latest released movies into your mobile phones. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like the video and leave a comment below so you will be included to shoutouts in my next video upload, like these guys. Now, let's get started.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see.
That's all for tonight guys. See you again in my next video upload. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,